Hey guys, this is David, and I have a really quick unboxing for you. This is not a review or anything. I'll be reviewing this in a couple of weeks after I get some use out of it. But let's see what we have here. Instruction booklet. Don't need that. Attachments. This is the Molly pouch here. So you could put it on your belt. You could have it set up sideways or vertically. Nice solid feel. Okay. Here we go. It's actually a little lighter than I had expected. And you guys probably seen a lot of reviews on this and know that it's called the center drive because of the screwdriver attachment here. So, liner lock. Three-inch fine edge or plain edge liner lock. Very nice. Okay, pliers. The wire cutters there. The cool thing about these wire cutters is that it's triangular shaped, and once one side wears down, you could just flip it to the next angle and then to the remaining angle after that. This isn't as heavy. Like I said, I'm surprised it's not as heavy as I expected. I think it's probably because they reduced space here and with these rails here. That's the other bit there. And we got a nail remover, a pry bar, and a bottle opener. It's locked in like that. That's nice. We have an awl, very sharp looking awl, a file. There's one more on this side. And a serrated blade, all coated. Cool. Okay, very nice. Okay guys, I chose the Gerber center drive because it looked pretty innovative. Where's my other? Okay, so for the past 4 years or so, I've been using this, the Wingman, and I decided to upgrade, and primarily because of the screwdriver. I hate using these light duty, I don't know, I guess you would call them light duty, but these, like, you know, screwdrivers like this and that there. I hated using this. Okay guys, well, this is just a quick unboxing and overview. The full review will come in a couple of weeks. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.